Yes, I will continue exercise 1.3 of matrix and determinants of PUC second year basic maths. So, in my last class, we have done 1.3, one first main question and second main question. First main question and second main question were based on the second order determinant, whereas the third main question is based on third order determinant, whereas the first and second main question was based on second order determinant, and this is based on the third order determinant. So to solve the problem based on third order determinant, okay, for the first row element should be multiplied with the plus, minus as well as plus sign. So how we get, why we should take plus formula, why we should take minus formula, and why we should take the plus formula for the third element. For that we have a formula minus of a I plus j, minus of a I plus j. For example, you see what sign has to be given for the first element. What sign has to be given for the first element? Minus a. Remember, or I told you that I refers for row and j refers for the column. So this is nothing but what the element which is present in the first row and first column. That means I is 1, j is also 1. So it will become 1 plus 1, which is minus a whole square. Minus a whole square. Since it is square, negative will become positive. Hence, sign will be positive for this one. Hence, sign will be positive for this one. Similarly, for the second element. For the second element, okay, this is 3. 3 is the second element. Second element is present in the first row. That means I is 1. I is 1. It is present in second column. 1, 2. Second column, 2. So thereby 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Since the power is odd number, negative will be negative only. So therefore the sign will be negative for that. I am not speaking about the element, the value present. I am speaking about only the sign. Only the sign. Then this one. Okay. That is 2. 2 is what? It is present in first row and third column. First row and third column. I represents row and j represents column. First row, third column. So this will become 1 plus 3, 4. Since 4 is a even number, negative sign will become positive. Okay. So therefore it is plus sign. Remember, whenever the power is even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Here, whatever the sign it is, it will become positive only. Suppose if it is negative sign, it will become positive. If it is positive sign, it will become positive only. Suppose if the power is odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here what happens? If it is negative sign, it will become negative. If it is positive, it will become positive. Remember, if the power is even number, the negative sign or the positive sign will become positive only. If the power is odd number, if it is negative sign, it will be negative. If it is positive, it will be positive only. So based on that, we will give plus, minus, plus sign even for the other terms also. But in order to find the value of third order determinant, it is sufficient only for the elements which are present in the first row. Yes. Next, how to evaluate or how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, you need to take the first element of the first row. What is the first element of the first row? 2. So what sign it has? It has plus sign. That should be multiplied with this one. Plus into plus, plus 2. Plus 2. When you take the element, okay, you have to delete the row. You have to delete the row and the column. You have to delete the row and the column of that element. After deleting, what we get? We get 4, 0, minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 5. See, now it has been converted into second order determinant. Second order determinant. Next is 3. What sign it has? Plus. Plus into minus, minus 3. So when you take 3, the row or the column related to to that element should be deleted. Thereby what happens? I will get 3015. 3015. Okay, next. I have to take 2. So what sign we have? Minus. Minus into plus, minus 2. So when I take 2, the row related to the 2 is this one and the column is this one. If I delete both of that, I will get 3, 4, 1, minus 1. So 3, 4, 1, minus 1. Now what happened? I have converted the second order determinant into third order determinant to second order determinant. 2. You know that how to solve? The product of principal diagonal minus product of secondary diagonal. So 4 5 times is 20. 4 5 times is 20. Okay. Minus into, okay, minus into plus, minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 3. Now the product of principal diagonal, 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 0, 0. In between, minus sign. Minus 2. Okay, plus into minus, minus. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. In between, negative sign. We have done many problems based on second order determinant also. So we'll get 2, 20, minus into minus plus. If you want, you can write 0, otherwise no need. Minus 3, 15, minus 2. Yesterday I told you both are of same sign. You add 7, write the greater number sign, minus. So 2 into 20, 40. Minus into plus, minus 45. Okay, minus into minus, plus. 2 7 times, 14. If I add these two, because this is positive sign, this is positive sign. If I add, both will give you 54. Minus 45. So its value is 9. It can be given by the symbol delta. It can be given by the symbol delta. Yes, this is how we need to solve the problem. Yes, please note down. This is how we need to solve the third order determinant. Yes, please note down. Next, I have taken fourth question. That means second question, third question, as well as fifth question is homework for you. Yes, I have taken fourth question. That means the second, third, as well as fifth will be homework for you. Yes, please, I will try to solve this problem. As we know that we will be taking plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. What is the first term? 2. So I can write delta if you want 2. So when I take 2, you need to eliminate the row and column related to the 2. When I eliminate, what I get 1 minus 2, 4 minus 1. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 1. Next, minus into minus, plus 1. So when I take 1, I will eliminate the row and column related to this. What I get? 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Next, so here plus into plus, plus 1. If I take 1, what I need to eliminate? I need to eliminate the row and column related to that. 3 1 1 4. 3 1 1 4. Now this will be 2. The product of principal diagonal, plus into minus, minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 4 2 times 8. In between these two there is a minus sign. Plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 3, 3. Okay, plus into minus, minus 2. In between there is a minus sign. Plus 1. 3 4 times 12. 1 into 1, 1. In between minus sign. Now this is 2 minus 1 minus into minus plus 8 plus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 12 minus 1 11. Now this is 2 minus 1 plus 8 is 7 positive 8 plus 1 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 plus 11. 7 2 times 14 plus into minus minus 1 plus 11. Very clearly 14 minus 1 is 13. 13 plus 11. 13 plus 11 is how much? It is 24 only. So that is the value of delta. So once you evaluate, you will get the value of the given determinant as 24. Yes, please note down this one.